It's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I've got a Fat Quarter Shop box. So let's see. So let's see what's inside. Now, I'm trying to remember what exactly I ordered. I know it was something specific, and I was going to tell you about it when I was opening it, but by the time I get in front of the camera, I've completely forgotten what all I bought. So, okay. So a couple of these things were on really, really good sale. Like, for example, this little, I think it's water soluble pencil, and it twists out. And this was, I think, 25 cents. So I've already got a lot of friction pens that I like to use, and those are usually my go-to. But occasionally, it's nice to have something different. And that looks to be a really nice one. Next, I got this awesome little charm pack. And, oops, I'll be honest with you, I did not even look to see what the fabrics looked like beyond the first one. I loved that first one so much, and this was one of the deals of the day. It was, I think, $1.90 for this charm pack, and I figured if I like that first one that much, I'm probably going to like the rest of them. Oh yes, these are beautiful. For $1.90, I just could not pass this up. I figured I would find something to use this on, and even if I ended up giving it away, it would still be worth it for that price. But I like this. I don't think that's going to be an issue. Ooh, that one's really pretty. I like the colors in this. Ooh, I like that one too. Very pretty.
I like the blue one.
Do you? I've got a little peanut gallery over there who's commenting for me. I don't know if you can hear her in the video or not. She's telling me how much she likes the different fabrics. Yeah, I think this was a pretty sweet deal. Ooh, I like that too. Can't pass that up. And I think we're close to the end. Are we? There's one more. Nope. I guess there were two more, maybe. There it is. That's the one I was trying to get to. Oh, I like that too. Very nice. I am very pleased with that. You can't beat that for that price. All right, so next I got these gloves, and I don't know what I was expecting, but I was definitely expecting a bigger box than this. Someone's playing peekaboo with you. But hopefully they're both there. Yeah, there's two gloves there. That looks very small though, but it said that these were a large. So let's go ahead and try those on and see. I don't have like crazy big hands or anything, but I just wanted to make sure that they weren't going to be small, because I do have kind of longer fingers, so I tend to gravitate towards getting the larger sizes because of that. Oh yeah, those fit really nice. So if you have long fingers, I definitely suggest going for the large. That is nice. And these are compression gloves, and they offer just the right amount of compression. It's not uncomfortable or anything. So I think these will be really nice to use when things are getting just a little bit sore from maybe a little bit too much stitching or whatever other craft you're working on that can kind of strain your thumbs or whatnot. All right, what else have we got in here? It's a big box of goodies. Okay, so this is called the Snag Nabbit, and it looks like a little needle or a big needle, but this is for catching those little pieces that can be inside a quilt that maybe you get a little thread behind, like between the batting and the quilt top, and you can see it. This is supposed to help with that. And if I end up coming across that as an issue, I will definitely do a demo for you guys of how to use that once I figure it out. All right. Oh, okay. So I don't think I have to take this out because it has the name right here. This is called Mantis, and it is one of the colors, one of the exclusive colors that were released for Nashville Needleworks. You can see the color there. And it was from Gentle Arts. I thought that was a really pretty color and would look awesome for some leaves or something. So I did grab that. They said that once that's sold out, they are not going to be able to get any more. So it's just what they have there. Next, I got another package of needles. These ones are Whitecroft. And in case you're wondering, yes, I am getting all of these different types of needles because I am planning on testing them all out and giving you guys an idea, trying to give you a review like what I did for the rulers. Also got these John James needles. And again, that's for once I get a chance to do that. Ooh, okay, I am so excited about this one. Try not to deafen you guys with the sound of me opening that. Look at these. They are zipper charms. Oh, they're very pretty. I love them. And since I've been making my own project bags, I wanted to have some sweet little custom zipper pulls that would look beautiful on them. And those are definitely going to do the trick. I adore them. Wow. Very pretty. Woo. Okay, we're getting down to patterns. So before we get there, I got some, I think it was Morganite. Yes, Morganite is the color. And it's Fiber on a Whim. And this one is 20 count Aida. And you should be able to see how small those little squares are. I just love this color. It's like a really, really soft, pale pink. All right. Oh, patterns. Okay. We got one for Easter. Whew. Or spring. And this one's from Layla Boutique. And this one's on good heavy cardstock. This is one of those patterns where they really did it nice. And it's called Wild Hair. Oh, I love it. They're so cute. It's like giant bunnies with trees. I think of them as giant bunnies because look at the size of the trees compared to the bunnies. All right, this looks like it's going to be 71.5 inches by 71.5 inches. Next, this gorgeous quilt pattern. I am so excited about this one. I really am. Oh, and this one also feels like it's on really nice cardstock. Wow, that one's really nice. That's above and beyond what I would have expected. It's almost got like a silky matte kind of feel to the cardstock as well. And it is so cute. It's called Cattle Call. And it's from Art East is the name of the designer. And it's a little bitty guy. It's only 39 3/4 inches by 45 1/4 inches. But this is going to definitely be a wall hanging in my sewing room at some point, and I'm pretty sure it's going to end up being a strawberry cow because that is what I picture. I'm just not sure what color background to put with him. If I should stick with the blue or if I should change it up. Tell me what you think, because I would love to know your opinions on that. Should I keep it the blue or should I change it for a different color if I'm making him a strawberry cow? All right, and last but definitely not least, this is a chart that was released for Nashville Needleworks, and I love it. It says, follow your heart. And it's this really adorable purplish typewriter with all these flowers coming out the top. And of course, you know I love that. Oh, it's so fun. I definitely see this as being perfect for sewing room or any kind of little workspace. Might not have any room left to hang things up in my sewing room. All the walls will be covered. You won't even be able to see what color the paint is on the wall because I'll just have the walls covered with stuff. But that's okay. I also got this beautiful little pattern. This is another one that was released for Nashville, and it says love grows here. And it just looks like this little bitty house with these strawberries growing up over the top of it and all these flowers. I absolutely adore it. Okay, go. Now, both of these patterns that came out for Nashville, I believe are Nashville exclusives. Now, I'm not really sure what that means, other than maybe it might take a while longer before they are released once these sell out. So if these are on your list, you may want to pick them up. I don't know if they'll be out again after that or what, but I didn't want to risk it, so I had to grab them as quickly as I possibly could. Thank you so much for joining me. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.